another day with you.
Me a hustler, I was just hustling buzzer, and then it's quite unfortunate. Your man so I met your sister and but I remember we dated, but I said now your man and course on now and some needs him before then became in your mind I go back.
Oh.
And I'm still on my downfall, but I don't want to so yeah, your mom be brave. I had no option just to come back to her. So when I came back, she got to tell me say I got to be houseboy, whatever, stroke gate man, messiah maid or whatever, because there is no one or taking care of that things.
Oh, yeah, my ex.
My sister.
Okay.
Ex.
So, was she treating you like this when you guys were dating?
Yeah, kakra. But she said the ambroso. Yeah.
But you could have looked for other options.
No.
I'm coming to stay here for her to bully you like this.
Yeah. When you come at 11 again, my name from if we say that's what I said.
You come
want me bad because many man anybody the other. But don't say meaning perception or know what about me. But I always try just to be real with her. But I don't know. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot.
I understand you, but I hope you believe in God, right?
I do believe in anything. A good truth, I believe in it. It's my miracles.
Yes, God's time is the best.
Don't worry.
I'm running my fast. And I'll try and talk to my sister.
No, don't talk to her.
I don't like how she's treating you.
No, a big pretty different story. So, I mean, in front of me, the other day, and I'm cool.
Me mommy not to tell me no one is to know. So I'm wondering how come she's behaving like this all of a sudden?
It's normal. Dear, go back and it's our best talk over here. Thank you, eh? Your name again?
Efia Pukuya.
Let me go see these guys. Okay. So, yeah, we're gonna talk. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Me, some cow ya. Who free more call ya, me so more, me take away. Situation I'm just
Mammy, so yes, Mammy, me upon the time, my papa in this house by me, my papa is not like this. That's why my father is a responsible father. Until now, you say to Mammy, yes, I'm married, January contract.
Mamma, me to tell what to tell, sir. Mammy, huh? Let me know, Cassandra, me say, me make a case. Mammy, huh?
Boy, yes, the man will reason. Wait, he's a nobody. He is not. Anyway, be outside no cry corner. Just help me out in this house and that's it. You see.
And mammy from a buffalo and mouse. What it? Apparently, when me. Some young one, winning me. But I said, you see, G, I felt so. This woman just say, I branch back on the interior per se. One of the one camera and can't. She apparently me by if you felt so G.
From fit.
From one of that. From one of that. One name pass out, mammy, and you. Name poor, but who is so mammy, and you your bed. Huh?
This guy, boy, we had make sure say, now I'm in no one. I'll buy a member to Lufia, and make a so man, any boy be no one. Only me, on one pen and buy and no dinner who coin or has about you. It's me, you know, you. It's a mommy, he's just helping me out in this house. Cleans, wash, do the dishes, everything. So that's all. That's his job. Let him do it.
See, that's as I woke up to say, yeah, I'm kind of say ex-boyfriend, not that.
Good, me ex. No, ex. And you're my current.
And I wouldn't hear you, Masano.
You better be like,
see,
that's his job. He's my domestic staff now, not my ex. No.
See, ha, this is so fine. It's me doing me, see, baha, so I'm at now, Hakakran. That's why we are being a day. Is here, huh? Suban we not being a deal, apparently, any no, anymore. Aye, huh? Who can I say? Says it over to I don't know, sir.
If you knows what's good and what's bad.
But when you call us, the obey no, obey follow. Wouldn't say we are not over. Man to tell, sir. Mammy can't summon Joe. You can't be young, no be young. Me, oh, mammy. We saw Musamete to Master two such man to do. Intimate, yes, sir. Man, yes, how proud you.
When you would do no positive, no because I can't remember say again. Oh,
tobacco twice, I bring my back. Oh, by a savage Jojo, be by way of many more ha. Ah, I don't take come on, say, you want to be as bad. I may be busy. Let's see, person once or just for some matter, and maybe see you when you, mommy. Huh? Is he? And my being Sibu, answer me petty. Aden. Ah? Ah, a dear crown, no dear, just move to Sikama to down qua. Aden. Answer me saying, Sikam will fear never just after Mobasa to us a mummy's behave. What eh? I know just a mum. Misbehave basa. Hey, Fiasha now walk around. We have a young man, the Nijas or no, we are young man, the Anide.
Everything I fix them.
It's when you're my dream and my mini.
And then my breast is unfit about my bread.
Ah, yeah, they won't fail. Or you be me to do easy. Copanacho. Ma, me say, Tinya me miss a ma. Me say, or you be an my Dibia, Essie, Quana Copanacho. Huh?
Amazing. I reject it. I rebuke it in Jesus' name. Say, Luton and I can't only if you're back home because anytime I better, my bro, say, my ability facing. Pay garment. Oh, this after my family. Miss no panacho. I'll put her. Ha! When you're so what them. How I never put her. Mammy, me panacho and not on the church. Not in any bear. Some if you can't stay, who got and doesn't know you guys should use it. Ah! I make a mammy, like you look me finish. Are they? Have a pastor on the show. Mommy, no, that. As who, gentlemen, which you fast or apple. Ah, sir. Fine. Ooh, cheerful, Miss Wacko. Nanti tia phone by no me matter to come and say. Ooh, a band and you say, Kona Copana Chono. Ah, me means me, I'm uncle. Sir. Let's see a better.
This year any day, I was so pabranacho. Man, what's me be one cast stupid? What kind of nonsense is this? Like, I didn't know so be one cast a chebrema. Why a small boy be crank and ham you? Eh? Ben man, you would not for say as of a cabus and one. Yabano, a buzzer man no soon. When a bear man would not for say now, Tiatiano, now Cassan any many how. Mammy, they say not to you. Tinisuma will cry and be some most of a free. Eh, mammy. I was so panacho. Yes, I pad dear. Ah! Uncle, what did you fear? What did you? What did you?
Fear,
Mammy.
is in knowing your sister.
Shall it damn more?
Was a damn home? Friend, ma'am.
Mammy. Because I know guys won't feel me, man. So, friend.
Easy. I go phone and yes, I phone and they would be. If ya,
Mommy.
I'm ranting away.
Oh, I say, oh, mommy.
Good evening. Actually, so friendly.
Now, what to say?
Great.
Easy.
Mommy.
Friend Moha, Mom's in the mind. And you so hard. And dear in your piano with the tree. Is a friend of mine. It's all panacho. Eh? You see, I'm ranting at you. Make us a Nente sua nanzu, and you know, Manumo. Me say, Parante nacho.
Me sorry.
Is he?
Panacho, me sorry.
Pate. So Panacho we now the way you are there, Konakoye.
You can't say, also said me a call for you know, some from Madame Tomacho. I said, me, my overshadow into other with the mystery.
You know, Casacra, word no crying, you see. Send me aqua, Unya will be out. Unya, and Fama will be out. Why now, you say, the opposite way now. Into no dresses away a quack rampuna. Wow, be busy or disrespectful. Never! And yet, or your bar, or your bema. Into was a beer was what the man. What the man? Dear me, Vanna, Auntie Tenisa. And then a question on. To what that woman, Miss Rowe. What it? Yeah, Miss Andy Chopana as I did. I to so. Mr. Why?
Usually, I miss out that was before this because I never be on a bit mind. I really appreciate you now. I mean, sure, I'm so super.
Since you say what was on a job, why?
But you might say
that's it.
Yeah, they are down.
Mamma's home. So on Panacho, which I know what you know from Ziano.
I'm not saying so. No, I will say, be boss. No, you say, no, you see, then in Bunukra Fukran, or ya. Now, songs are said, oh, yeah, a trumpet, or trumpet, basket for trumpet.
At now, Pobiacho, watch one from Tintin. Be a mammy tear. Mammy, so by we make us what done a dear wound you send the one will be. Oh, show I know one, up on a church. When you are sorry, no, ye.
And one of every exactly. Nipper, dear, sorry, no car. Bibia, no, slow, waka.
Mammy, no, dear.
Wait, good morning. Patrol,
Yes, sir. Okay. So they see you. Say Mama, me banana before so you should watch.
Oh, mommy, worry not. I'm okay. I'm 100% cool. You feel me okay?
Why you be a fetching party?
Oh, worry not.
The ban more years are there.
It's normal. Say Annie be don't say Sebi, me servant crown. Me near Queen Yampuse say me ba Madam Horny, but it's all good. That's life, you feel it? I'm good.
I don't know what's we
Mommy, no, it's my duties here.
Debbie.
Me patch mommy. Let me do it.
Okay. Said you did wood in my ban. You says I had him to make a sign. To my miss. I fear.
Mommy!
Brah.
I'm almost done. It's a lot for you. Just here.
Where did your bedroom? Your bedroom, some by or background there, young, with the ministry. Not them, my old children. I fear. I was saying, how does you down? One time, the same time of call. What behind your face? What's a question? I was easy, I know. Or have a channel, I have a baby, a bathroom, or has a way. Come on. Ah, Debbie, come on. Come on, why?
No, it's my duty just to do it. So that's it.
Oh, and your duty. Maybe no,
right now, you say we small madam. So that's it.
Madam.
But now you so what are you going to do?
Your sister be
home. Would have want to call a gate in Anno. Say, what now are the way? Your bed,
mommy, I see how you be sure.
Share. Me back on my man.
I want a your house. My children do my power. Why? One and you want to put here. Oh, yeah, you Miss Roman, and now call him to me a cock and a frozen. The patch of me banner one away. Many young, lady. Mr. White, to me frozen to come away. I call. Why? So,
oh, Rastana.
Don't call me back. Just call me back.
And we withdrew.
It is
I'm
what it is.
Now,
what do I want to face another development?
Maybe a cross sandwich and a matic.
Wait, don't go there.
It's
not like that.
Oh, then yes, we did. Connection. We are. May it beverage. We are not white.
If ya, I'm not always
Sister, so I wouldn't say me fear. Be a man and pepper primary Danny. Be a to chef.
No, let's hear your job, please. Take it. Last time is only one. It's not your job. Don't you know you're duty in this house? She's a huge man.
Mommy.
If you're someone, do you know how much it cost me to provide your skincare? Skin, I want to yes, they drop.
There are two madams here. Obi or Madam Sam, but also Madam Sam.
So what shall I do?
Maybe I was so fucking.
She's going to allow you to stay in my house.
No, catch you for cancer is fine.
So she's going to allow you to stay in my house. I'm going to take this and do your duty.
Sister, relax.
Let him do it.
Sister, mommy, yeah. What the mommy?
Oh, I feel myself about
sister, when you when you remember, Pepper so home. Maybe reality, bro. Why? Oh, sister, Essie.
Stana, what is the meaning of that?
I know it.
We are coming to so. We remember, Juma, and sister crying so bad. Dear me, if you met my old fear, now was Shabby Mackinty, such a now prepare fear, said Yanty. You'll be watching the crown of a buanare. Oh,
I know.
So now, Miss Mino, because I don't be walking around. Oh, what is the meaning of that?
What is it?
So, okay. I don't know, millionaire, and Mobby. Why is she the one working?
So, Brian, I was just trying to explain to you, but one to me, I'm a chance, and you were just shouting.
Okay. I've given you the chance now. Why is my sister being the one working in my house?
I'm sorry, Sammy, pardon. Oh, mom, right. Byron, so no, don't allow me and my because my sister and I, and my bush and there and read them. Say, cry penny fear, penny yadi, say, try to explain everything. Say, no, I need to say me 7 to 3. They don't know about call me Madam Penny. Say, no, I shouldn't say that. So, but just no.
And you watch my sister clean the house.
No.
Why wouldn't the skin color Nana? You know how much it cost for me to provide for her skincare?
No,
if I don't provoke me, do you know how much it cost me for me to provide for my younger sister's skincare? And you want to ruin her skin? You want her to work? Does she look like a maid to you?
At the end of
Or looking like a servant to you, right?
At the end of the day, 6 feet in
Okay.
So what?
Since you've not ended up in the 6 feet yet, my sister is not working in my house. You are supposed to work in this house, and you are going to work. So almost a minute, please make sure you take whatever she's doing out of her hands. Don't let this repeat itself again. I beg. So Mama will see you stand. I swear to God, they can't be. That's Mama will see you. You are swearing for me too.
No, madam.
You are swearing for me too.
Madam,
The next, you are swearing for me, Sana.
what's up, baby? Calm down.
You are swearing for me, Abi. Yeah, why your fault too?
It's not my fault.